So, good morning guys. Today, gagawa tayo ng Introduce Yourself vlog. Kasi inatasan kami ng professor namin sa Living in the IT Era na gumawa nito. So, let's start. Ako nga pala si Christian Santos. Nakatira ako sa Sukol, Calamba City. And I am 24 years old kasi po ang birthday ko is July 23, 1999. So, ang hobby ko naman po is mag-drawing, maglaro ng online games, to be specific, Mobile Legends, and mag-basketball. Hindi naman po kagalingan sa mga to, pero ayun po yung kadalasan kong ginagawa. So, ang pinagkakaabalahan ko right now sa buhay ko is mag-aral, and I am third year college from St. Benedict International School. Ang kinuha ko pong course is BS Entrepreneurship. So, my mother was a housewife. Ang father ko po is operator, and ang ate ko po is OFW in Germany. Nurse po siya. So, ang pangarap ko naman po sa buhay is maging successful businessman, and kung papalarin is maging successful na CEO ng isang malaking company. So, ayun lamang po, and thank you.